Okay, folks and gents, it is 68 degrees inside the house. We're doing an MSR ice cube review. Seeing how fast it'll melt the ice. Since a lot of people have gone away from the reactor stove, as you can see the MSR logo. Let's turn on the clock. Okay, clock is set to 0. Okay, and there's the pot of ice. Start. Okay. It's supposed to be kind of a simulation of snow. Of course, the ice cubes are a little thicker and aren't going to melt as fast as snow. My wife's over there putting a diaper on our newborn, Marilyn. Okay, we've already gone over a minute. And as you can see, the 1.5 liter pot has already reached and gone down below almost at 1 liter. Let's turn on the light. There's the liter mark. We are now at 2 minutes and 32 seconds. And there's a little bit of ice left. But there is definitely a lot of steam coming out. This is again is the reactor stove from MSR. We had 2013 model. And now we're over 3 minutes. Gonna use this boiling water to make a hot cup of cocoa for my wife. I'm not weighing it or seeing how much gas I'm using, but where I go camping up in Colorado at 12,000 plus feet, you can't use a twig stove up there. There's not a lot of twigs unless you carry it in. Definitely not wood for a big wood burning stove. We're almost done. We're almost at 4.5 minutes. There's 4.5 minutes. Let's see what we look like. You can already see the bubbles boiling at the bottom. I wouldn't call this a slow boil yet, but we're getting there. There we go. That is boiling. Let's see where we're at time-wise. 6 minutes. 6 minutes for over 1.5 liters of little brick ice cubes, and it is boiling.